Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Eureka Specialita with us in the shop. This is a flapper grinder by Eureka, and this machine had came in originally for the issue that this button here wasn't actually grinding. So what you would do is you put your portafilter to it, and once you click the button, it'll prompt the grinder and it'll start the timer. And then once the timer turned off, it'll kick it out. And what happened was when I opened it, now it wasn't this bad, but one of the wires was cut off, so I believe it was still, the red wire was still, soldered on, but the black one was soldered off, so it wouldn't activate. And so we replaced the entirety. As you can see, we replaced the entire wire because this is not attachable, at least traditionally. Some buttons just have the, the little push-in electronical connections, but this one is soldered. And so we replaced the entirety. We ordered that from Rocket themselves. And yeah, that's all we did to this grinder. There was another issue, and I kind of want to just give a visual on how to, because the customer didn't know that there was a 2-click button. So say you want to, right now we're in manual mode, but if I were to say click one, and see top here, you can't adjust the time at all. So this is what the customer was, mentioning when they dropped it off. But what you would do is you would double click both the top buttons and then it will come back. The reason they do that is, say I set the timer to 9.1 and then I don't want anybody accidentally clicking or adjusting it. And so what you would do is you click the two top buttons and then it will lock it so they can't adjust it at all. And that goes for the single shot too. So say I mess with that, lock it, can't mess with it at all. And when you click both of the bottom ones, you're in a manual mode, so you just do everything on your own. There's no timer involved. But yeah, so we're gonna put that to 9 seconds. And then we're just gonna lock it. And we're gonna just do a little test grind. I got it close to an espresso grind. Of course, you could recalibrate it to your own machine since you don't have your machine here. But we'll just stop it there. And yeah, and then if we were to say take some of that out and spread it on the hand, the burrs are still working really well. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of the other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.